everyone, I am Rubeswaran. I am here to explain a acceleration experiment. This is the full setup of the experiment and we need a ball. A initial point is needed, a track is needed and the final point is needed. After that we need a initial velocity of 0 meter per second and this ball should go in the speed of 6 meter per second in the track, and then the final velocity will be 6 meter per second after the ball reaches the final point. So now we are going to calculate the acceleration in the next part.
Hi, this is Parithosh here. In the given problem, the initial velocity of the ball is 0 meter per second and the final velocity of the ball is 6 meter per second. The time taken is 3 seconds. Acceleration is equal to v minus u by 3. So, acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. Thank you.